Okay, second part is cap. Let's draw with SolidWorks. Select the feature, select the front plane. Here we have two circles. One is diameter 38. One more is diameter 72. Let's draw the random sketch. There's a random sketch. Just give the dimensions 38. This is 72. This is 6. This is 12. This is 10. Now take horizontal line from this endpoint. As per the question, we have two circles. Just connect with the endpoint. Let's trim extra lines. Let's measure horizontal distance. Horizontal distance is 44 means 22. This is 43. Okay, exit the sketch. Now depth is 36 with mid plane. Now take the sketch, take the top face. Here we have three circles of diameter 10.5 and 24, and one more circle from this point is 86. Let's give the dimensions. 86, this is 10.5, one more is 24. Next we have horizontal distance from this point is 31. Now everything is fit. Now exit the sketch. Now we have three circles to trim, to cut out. Let's take a extruded cut. Let's take a outer circle first. We have direction to cut, flip side to cut. Select this option and select the depth. Click accept. Next, select the same sketch, extruded cut. Select small circle 10.5, then click OK. Now select the same sketch, extruded cut, select the dia 24. Here you should select direction outside. It's above the surface. Then click accept. Now we have not selected this portion. Let's select again, extruded cut, take outer circle. Now give the direction, then click accept. Now only this portion is cut. Next, select all these features, select mirror, select the mirror plane. Again we should select the features, then click accept. Now we have one more features to cut, revolve cutout. With revolve cutout, select the front plane, select revolve cutout. We have random figure here. Take the line. This diameter is 6, we should take 3. Bottom side is 3, we should take 1.5. This point to this point is 10. Now we have an angle here. It should be 118. That's a standard. Exit the sketch. Here we have made a small mistake here. This horizontal line, this is an extra line, we can delete or you can give as a construction line. Exit the sketch, revolve cut. So before selecting revolve cutout, select the sketch.